Are you tired of having incorrect sales orders cluttering your Zoho Books? Learn to delete any sales order in under a minute. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to delete a sales order, from opening Zoho Books to confirming the deletion. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Then, from the main menu, click on Sales. Now, select Sales Orders to view the list. Click on the sales order you want to delete. Click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, choose Delete. Click Delete it. Then, click on Proceed to finalize the deletion. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.